Magandang hapon po ng August 29, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 29, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, August 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 29, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 25.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 8.5 million pesos for Thursday, August 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 29, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.